At the far end of the depot, one tram remains under the roof. Its windows keep a low interior glow. The tracks beneath it hold a thin silver line. Nothing is being prepared for departure. Beyond the glass, the yard remains empty. A cooling unit keeps one even hum. No bell sounds. Near the entrance gate, a timetable board hangs behind clear plastic. The last route numbers remain in place. No hand points to them. A ticket machine stands dark beside the wall. Its screen remains blank. No button lights. Along the service pit, yellow edge lines run under the tram body. They remain sharp in the low light. No boot crosses them. A folded warning stand rests beside a cabinet. Its hinges remain straight. No one opens it. Inside the nearest carriage, empty seats face one another in quiet rows. Their fabric keeps a muted pattern. No weight settles there. Metal poles hold the last of the ceiling light. They remain cold. Nothing moves between them. Above the tram roof, suspended wires hang in measured lines. Insulators hold their pale shapes against the dark. No current changes tone. A support beam crosses the ceiling near the far lamps. Bolts remain fixed along the steel. No vibration reaches them. At the driver's cab, the console stays in standby. Small indicators hold one calm row. No switch is touched. A keyring rests on the ledge beside the panel. Its metal loop remains still. Nothing turns with it. Near the sidewall, cleaning brushes stand in a tall bucket. The bristles remain dark from old water. No handle is lifted. A hose reel hangs above a grated drain. The nozzle points down. No drip falls there. At the rear coupling, thick cables remain joined between two units. The covers stay locked over the sockets. No latch is released. A buffer plate catches one narrow reflection from the roof light. It remains pale. It does not shift. On the maintenance desk, a clipboard lies open to the final check sheet. Boxes on the page remain marked. No line is added. A pencil rests across the lower margin. Its point stays sharp. No note continues from it. Beyond the depot doors, the outer yard holds a line of silent rails. They divide and return under the dark wires. No headlight appears there. A signal lamp near the fence stays red. Its glass remains clear. No second color joins it. At the wheel assembly, grease lines remain dark along the metal edges. The springs hold their settled weight. No pressure changes there. A small lamp beneath the chassis stays off. Its casing reflects only the pit light. Nothing wakes it. From high above, one relay gives a soft click in the roof space. Not loud, not repeated. Then the cooling hum fills the building again. The tram keeps its place. The depot remains unchanged. Near the side door, a stack of spare route plates stands in a narrow rack. Printed numbers remain readable at the edges. No plate is removed. A pair of gloves lies folded on top of the rack. The fingertips remain bent. No hand reaches down. At the parts shelf, boxed bulbs sit in one even row. Their labels face outward. No carton opens. A screwdriver rests beside a wrapped fuse set. Its handle keeps a dull shine. Nothing is repaired there. Along the far inspection lane, the concrete floor holds faint marks from earlier wheels. The lines remain dry and pale. No fresh track crosses them. A ceiling lamp above the lane stays on its reduced setting. The glow remains soft. It does not spread farther. Inside the rear carriage, one advertisement frame remains above the window. The paper inside sits flat. No corner lifts. A stop request strip runs along the wall below it. It remains dark. No finger presses it. At the depot clock, the minute hand advances without sound. The face remains pale over the doors. No one looks up at it. Below, the shutter chain hangs in one straight line. Its links remain still. Nothing pulls it down. The tram remains under the roof with its low interior light. The rails remain clear beneath it. The wires remain quiet above it. Nothing begins. Nothing ends. The depot keeps its late arrangement around the last tram, cool and waiting, while the city routes sleep beyond the gate. Near the windshield, a thin arc of dried rain remains on the glass. It catches one faint line from the roof lamp. No wiper moves across it. A destination sign above the cab stays blank. The dark panel gives nothing back. No route returns to it. Near the rear door, a rubber threshold keeps a dull shine. The yellow edge remains unbroken. No heel crosses it. A route sticker above the glass shows one faded line name. The letters remain pale. No update covers them. At the outer fence, a chain hangs across the exit track. Its links remain slack between the posts. No hook is lifted. Beyond it, the city side road stays empty under weak lamps. No late bus turns in. No first tram returns yet. The depot keeps its waiting shape. Behind that dark panel, the driver's seat remains pushed in toward the console. The mirror above it holds only the dim carriage light. No face appears there. A folded notice rests beside the speed display. Its top edge stays flat. No hand unfolds it. Along the roofline, ventilation grills run above the windows in one calm row. The openings remain dark. No stronger airflow begins. At the first doorway, yellow safety strips frame the closed panels. The rubber edges remain sealed. No chime sounds there. Down by the pit, the underframe holds its shadow over the rails. Metal brackets remain fixed in place. No inspection lamp swings below. A drip tray near the second axle remains empty. Its surface keeps one cold reflection. Nothing gathers in it. At the rear of the hall, a breaker cabinet stands with its panels shut. Small labels remain lined in narrow columns. No switch changes position. A warning triangle on the door stays bright against the gray paint. Its corners remain sharp. No key enters the lock. Beyond the depot doors, overhead wires cross above the yard in silent geometry. The poles hold their distance in the dark. No wind reaches them. A chain barrier near the exit lane remains hooked in place. Its links keep one dull line of light. No vehicle passes through. Inside the carriage, seatbacks remain aligned beneath the windows. The fabric shows the same muted pattern from row to row. Nothing leans against it. At the joint between cars, the rubber corridor stays folded inward. Its surface remains still. No step passes through. Near the sidewall, a route map panel remains above the priority seats. Colored lines hold their printed turns across the city. No stop is followed tonight. A speaker grill sits beside it in the cream panel. No announcement comes from it. No tone tests there. On the floor by the second door, a small grain of grit rests in the corner seam. It does not move. It does not scatter. The rubber flooring keeps its dark, textured pattern. No heel crosses the aisle. No damp mark forms there. From the roof space, another low, settling sound comes once. Soft, then gone. The wires remain quiet above the tram. The hall returns to its cooled stillness. At the maintenance desk, the check sheet remains open where it was left. The marked boxes stay complete. No final signature is added. The pencil still rests across the margin. Its shadow lies under the green shade. Nothing shifts it out of place. Near the part shelf, a wrapped coupler pin remains tagged with a number. The string stays tied at the loop. No label is replaced. A tin of spare screws stands beside a closed relay cover. Its lid remains set. No rattle comes from within. At the far lane, the concrete floor continues into the darker edge of the building. The line of roof lamps grows weaker there. No one walks into that dimness. A narrow service ladder rises to a cable tray along the wall. Its rungs remain bare. No hand climbs them. The low light inside the tram continues to hold across the empty seats. The destination sign remains blank above the cab. Outside, the yard keeps its silent rails and cooling wires until the roof lamps thin into darkness at the end of the depot. Near the front coupler, a safety chain hangs against the end plate. Its hook remains fastened. No hand checks it now. The interior glow stays caught in the windshield. Then it fades into the glass as the roof lamps thin, one by one, toward the back wall.